Hello everyone, my name is Sangam Chumnajimanne. Today the discuss about topic is the respiratory system. Respiratory system is one of the most vital system in the human body of responsible for the exchange of gases that sustain of life. Its primary tissue of and remove to the carbon dioxide and waste product to the metabolism. That's to the overview the respiratory system and the process guide 20 minutes discussion. First, anatomy of the respiratory system. The respiratory system is divided into two main parts: the upper and lower respiratory tracts. That's A1. Upper respiratory tract. Nasal cavity filters warms moisture though air we breathe. To the pharynx, a shared pathway of the air and food. Larynx, to the houses of the vocal cords and its help to the food entering the trachea. Second, lower respiratory tract, to the trachea or tube the direct air to the lungs. To bronchi, the trachea splits into the bronchi, one leading to each lung. To the smaller branches to the distribute air throughout the lungs. To alveoli, to the tiny air sacs where gas exchange to the occurs. These are surrounded by capillaries for exciting oxygen and carbon dioxide exchange. To the supporting structures, to the diaphragm, to the shaped muscle that facilitate breathing by contracting and relaxing. To the rib cage, to protect the lungs, assist the breathing. So second, the process of breathing, pulmonary ventilation. The breathing involves into the main process. First, inhalation, the diaphragm contracts and moves downwards, increase the chest cavity volume. To the muscle lift the rib cage, creating negative pressure. To the air, air is drawn into the lungs throughout the mouth, nose, down trachea into the alveoli. The diaphragm relaxes and removes to the upward cavity volume. Air is expelled from the lungs due to positive pressure in the thoracic cavity. To the third point, gas exchange in the lungs. To the gas exchange occurs in the alveoli throughout the process called diffusion. To the oxygen moves from alveoli the blood in the capillaries. To the carbon dioxide to the moves blood into the alveoli of to be exhaled. To the this exchange in driven by constructing oxygen moves from areas high to low. From for oxygen transport, to the one oxygen enters the bloodstream. To the in binds to hemoglobin in red blood cells, forming oxyhemoglobin. To the oxygen is transported to tissue where it is released for cellular respiration. To the fifth point, carbon dioxide removal. To the carbon dioxide byproducts of the metabolism is transported in the three ways: to dissolve plasma, to the bound of hemoglobin as carbon hemoglobin, to converted into the bicarbonate ions into the plasma. 6 point, in control of breathing. The process of breathing is regulated by the respiratory centers in the brainstem. To the medulla oblongata, to the controls the rhythm and deep breathing. Pons help to the smooth the transition between inhalation and exhalation. To the rising level of CO2 and decrease in oxygen level in the blood stimulate breathing. To the in the cartilage to the aorta is the monitor blood gas levels. To the 7 point, respiratory health and diseases. To the mentioning respiratory health is the crucial several diseases or the affect this system, such as to the asthma, chronic inflammation of the airways. To the chronic obstructive pulmonary diseases, to the included condition like chronic bronchitis. To the pneumonia, to the infection that inflames the air sacs in the lungs cancer often linked to the smoking exposure to the pollutant. To the tuberculosis, the bacterial infection affecting the lungs. To the 8 point, environmental and lifestyle factors. To the smoking and the damaged lung tissue reduces respiratory efficacy. To the air pollution, long term exposure can lead to the respiratory diseases. To the exercise, to the improve lungs capacity and efficacy. Healthy diet to the supports overall respiratory health. 9 point fun facts about the respiratory system. The lungs contain about 13 million alveoli, providing a surface area roughly the size of tennis court for gas exchange. To the adults, breathe about 12 to 20 times per minute. The left lungs is slightly smaller than the right lungs according to the heart. This discussion provides a comprehensive view of the respiratory system, making is engaging and informative 20 minutes presentation of the let me like to the deeper specific you know that's about the respiratory system. Thank you.